guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansh Singhal, welcoming you to my channel with a new video on switch case statements in C. So guys, in this video we are going to completely learn about switch case statements, and we will differ between if else and switch case. So let's start with the basic syntax of switch case. Here is the syntax. As you can see, switch, then the expression in parentheses which is meant to be checked, then the curly braces begin, and then the cases, then default statement and curly braces close. So guys, what does this statement do? It actually takes an expression and checks the cases if the expression is equals to the cases and executes the command in the cases. So guys, let us check the flowchart first. Here is a flowchart of switch case statement. The single expression is given here, as you can see, and then it checks whether it is equals to constant 1 of case 1. Then if it is true, then it will execute the code block and then come out of the command, and if it is not true, then it will check condition 2, and if it is true, then same as first, it will execute the command and come out of the switch case statement if there is any break statement, or if not, it will check all the conditions one by one and execute the code. And for default statement, it will always execute it if there is no break in the code. It is like else in the if else ladder. So let's just check an example of it. Let me make a new file here, switch.c. Yeah, here the main basic snippet, main2, yeah, and then let me make a variable int a, and then switch the expression, let it be a, as we have declared only one variable, parenthesis begins, and then the case. Guys, let us take the value of a first from the user. So printf, enter the time, enter the time according to following. Yeah, it will adjust now. One mean 6 a.m. to 12 noon, to 12 noon. Two mean wait a sec. To mean the 12 noon to 6 p.m. and then 3 means 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. 10 p.m. and wait a minute, let me adjust it. Yeah, here it is. Then 4 means 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Yeah, here let me adjust it, 4 a.m. Yeah, it is now okay. Yeah, it's okay now. Here, yeah. So guys, this is the print statement, and let us scan it. What does the user give us? Scanf %d, as it is an integer, %d, and the address of the variable %a, the semicolon here too, and I'll adjust this. Here I will give a new line character. Yeah, then switch case a. So if a is equals to 1, or case 1 is printf good morning, then semicolon, then break. Yeah, as you can see guys, break is used here to terminate the case 1, and it is not necessary. If you want all conditions to be printed, then remove the break command, Here let me adjust case 2, case 2, or a is equals to 2, then printf good afternoon, good afternoon, then semicolon, case 3, I forgot the break statement there, it will execute all other commands. Case 3, printf good evening, good evening. Case 4, printf good night, good night, yeah, good night here. So guys, this was our basic switch case statement, and then default, I'm not using default here as it will not executed. We have 4 cases. Let's run the code and check it whether it's working or not. Here I think it's not having an error. Yeah, enter the time according to following. Yeah, it's giving it. Let me increase the font size here. Hope you guys can see this. Let me, according to current time, let me give, wait a minute, here's an error. Which PM here? 6 PM. Oh, it's due to font agreement. So according to current time, wait a second, it's an error, man. Yeah, here. Oh, I adjusted here. So just cut it from here and paste it here. Yeah. Now run the code here. What happened, man? Delete the terminal, run again. Yeah, it's working. According to current time, let me give 3. Good evening, good night. Why it's executing the other command? Didn't I give the break statement there? I didn't give the break statement here. Break. So guys, as you can see, what will happen if you don't use break statement in such examples? Break. Let's run the code here. 3. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, man. So this was our basic example. Hope you can see the code. Let me add this to window. So this was our switch statement. Hope you guys understand it, and it is different from if else, as if else can be messy in bigger programs, and switch is very useful way and easier way for if else. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and please comment. I need comments. The target is 24 now, but I hope you will comment down for my progress and my explanation. Thank you.